I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hi dear students, this is my last visit. It's the Colosseum in Italy. I'm going in as you continue working on your book. So open your book please. See you later.
Practice the vocabulary of the week.
This the vocabulary of today is refers to keywords. Okay, repeat after me and practice. Kid. Kid is a person. Can be a boy or a girl. Kid. Regular, in this case, regular is referred to regular verbs like play. Simple past. The simple past is a tense in the past. For example, walk, walked. Not is a negative word. For example, not today. Open is a verb. For example, open the door please, or can you open the door please? Rules are things that you can or can't do in your classroom. For example, raise your hands. Commands. The commands are orders. For example, be quiet, sit down, open the door. Okay? Stand up. Stand up is a command. For example, stand up please. Take out is a command too. For example, take out your notebook or take out your book.
In past tense, you have regular verbs. In these verbs, you have to add ed at the end of the verbs, following the rules. For irregular verbs, these verbs change completely. Commands. The commands are rules or order in a classroom, like raise your hands, be quiet, sit down, stand up, close the door, read.